Hi, my name is Alice Bowmaker, and today I'm going to take you through a mobility session which you can do before a workout or on a daily basis. So bring yourself to a tabletop position, tucking the chin in, and then breathe in, lift up head and tailbone, shoulders draw back. Exhale, drop head and tailbone, squeeze belly button in. Inhaling, lift head, tailbone, shoulders back. Exhale, drop head and tailbone, squeeze belly button in. So keep moving like this, feeling the stretch through the front and the back of the body. Bringing your mind into the body and out of the head. Finding that breath. Breathing in, breathing out. And come back to a straight spine and thread your left arm very gently across and down to the floor. Hold the position, take a breath in and out. And come back to tabletop and take the right arm across. Breathe in and out, and then keep going, so changing sides, but this time just a little bit more dynamic. So threading the arm across and then coming back to tabletop. Maybe each time reaching a little bit further and squeezing the belly button in. And then from here we are going to step now the right foot forwards to the outside of the hand into a low lunge. Hands underneath the shoulders, shoulders drawing back, chin tucks in. And then start to rock the hips backwards and forwards. Exhaling as you send the hips back, inhaling forwards. So opening up through the hamstrings as well as the hips with this position. And if you need to, you can always come up onto the fingertips as you send the hips back. Now just slide your front heel backwards slightly so that you come to more of a right angle position and bring your body upright. Take the arms in front of you and extend the right arm back behind you to open up. And reach that right arm forwards and back behind you. Circling the right hand down to the floor and forwards. And again, squeezing that right shoulder back. Take a breath in and exhale. Bring the hands down to the floor, come back to tabletop. And from here, we're going to step left foot forwards into your low lunge, shoulders back, chin tucks in, and rock the hips backwards and forwards. Exhaling the hips back, inhaling forwards. Coming up onto the fingertips if you need to as you send the hips back. Breathing as you move. Good, and then slide that left foot back so you come up to a kneeling position, bringing your body off the floor, and extend your left arm back behind you, reaching your right arm forwards. Circle that left arm down and forwards, and again extend left arm back and down. Last time, inhale to extend left arm back behind you, hold and take a breath in, and exhale. Bring the hands down to the floor, step back to tabletop. From here, come to downward dog and start to pedal the feet one at a time towards the floor, really letting the head hang nice and heavy. Taking a lovely deep breath in and out. Lifting both heels nice and high and then pressing both heels down. Can you spread the sit bones wide? Bring the knees to the floor, come back to tabletop, and we make our way into a froggy squat. So hips can be high if that's better for your knees. Maybe bring the hips down nice and low. Shoulders drawing down the back. Let's lift the hips up, forward fold. Inhale to your half froggy squat, or if your knees can handle it, all the way down into full froggy squat. Take a breath in, lift up to forward fold. Hands can be on the ankles if you need to. Exhale, bring the hips to half or full froggy squat. Try to keep the spine nice and straight, heels can be lifted. And then let's come down onto our hands and knees. And we're going to come down to lie on our back now. Knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Draw the shoulders back towards the floor and then start to rock the pelvis backwards and forwards. So just lifting your bum off the floor but not your lower back, and then lowering the bum back towards the floor. You should feel your abdominal squeezing in as you tuck the tailbone under and squeeze your glutes. Feeling this nice forwards and backwards rocking motion of the pelvis. And then lift both hips up into bridge. Hold the bridge and lower down. Lift up into bridge, hold, squeeze glutes and lower down. Lift and squeeze. Lower down. Lift, tucking tailbone under and lower. Knees in line with hips now, shoulders relaxed back. Lifting up and down into your glute bridge. You want to feel that lower back lengthening, your abs squeezing in and your glutes working hard. Hold the glute bridge and squeeze now. And then lower the hips down towards the floor and hug the knees into the chest. Take a little rock off the knees from side to side, massaging the lower back. Taking a deep breath in and out. Place your feet on the floor, reach the arms overhead, make sure you have space for your arms, and then start to bend the elbows down towards your rib cage. So your hands and elbows stay on the floor as you glide the arms up overhead and then down towards your rib cage, bending at the elbows. Try to keep your hands and your shoulders pressing into the floor so you feel this sense of opening in your shoulders and your chest. Bring your knees into the chest. And rock your head from side to side, one ear coming to the floor at a time, really relaxing the neck. Relax the jaw, the eyebrows. Feel all those muscles in the head releasing. Roll to one side, come to your seated position where we'll finish with our 4-part breath. Shoulders relaxing down, take a deep breath in and out, and let's begin. Breathing in, hold the breath, breathe out, hold the breath, breathing in, hold the breath, breathe out, hold the breath, breathing in, hold the breath, breathe out, hold the breath. Breathe in, hold the breath, breathe out, and bring the palms together at the heart center. Just taking a moment to feel the body, feel yourself in the present moment. Opening your eyes to come back. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you again soon.